Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link two cells in Google Sheets. Linking cells allows your spreadsheet to be dynamic, automatically updating data across different locations. This guide will help you understand the fundamental concepts and practical steps involved. You'll learn how to create simple references and see why this feature is incredibly useful for data management. Let's dive into the basics of making your sheets more interconnected and efficient. To link cells within the same sheet, simply type an equal sign followed by the cell's address. For example, if you want cell B1 to display the content of cell A1, you would type equals A1 into B1. The content will instantly mirror. You can then drag the small square, known as the fill handle, at the bottom right of cell B1 downwards to apply this link to many cells below, saving you significant time and effort. Linking cells across different sheets is just as straightforward. You'll use the sheet's name, followed by an exclamation mark, and then the cell address. For instance, to pull data from cell A1 on a sheet named Sales Data, you would type equals Sales Data exclamation mark A1. Remember to enclose sheet names with spaces in single quotes. This powerful feature allows you to consolidate information from various tabs into a central dashboard. For more advanced linking, consider using named ranges. Instead of Sheet 2, A1, you could name a range Total Sales and simply reference equals Total Sales. This makes your formulas much clearer and easier to manage, especially in large spreadsheets. Always remember that linked cells update automatically, so any change in the source cell will reflect instantly. Finally, be mindful of circular references, which occur when a cell directly or indirectly refers to itself, causing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.